Hello dear students, good day. Today we are going to start our next topic. This is said as constructions. In this construction chapter, now first exercise is dividing a line segment into a given ratio. Exactly, there are some more things but that are deleted from the syllabus. Now in the syllabus only dividing a line segment into a given ratio is there. So that we are going to learn. Yes, bete. First question we are going to do, it is divide a line segment of length 8 centimeter into the ratio 2:3. We are dividing a line segment of length 8 centimeter into the ratio 2:. Yes, bete. First of all, I am making a line segment of length 8 centimeter. So this is the line segment of length 8 centimeter. We are saying it as A, B. Now we need to divide it into the ratio 2:3. So first of all, what I am doing, I am making a line which is making an acute angle at point A. An acute angle, whatever will be its measurement, that doesn't matter. Now we need to divide it into the ratio 2:3. So how many arcs I need to make? 2:3 I need to divide. So I'll make 2 plus 3, 5 arcs on it. 5 arc I am going to make. So any length I am taking in the compass, any length. Now compass tip I'll keep on A. Compass tip I'll keep on A and I'll mark 5 arcs on the line which is making acute angle with AB. This is the fifth. AP I am saying the ray. AP is the ray. So these points will be P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. These are the 5 points. Now last point is P5. Last point is P5. P5 to I am joining B. P5 to B I am joining. You can join it dotted. This I have joined dotted, and now this line segment I need to divide into the ratio 2:3. So 2:3 is C. From 2, if I'll make a line, then the line will be 2:3. It will make two similar triangles, and that triangle similarity property say we can say it is 2:3, then this will also be 2:3. Let me go with that. So I need to make a line at point P2. I need to make a line at point P2 which is parallel to P5B. So that drawing I need to make any arc. Now arc should not be of same length, little more or less I can make. So this same arc I need to make at point P2. Now I need to measure this angle. To measure this angle, see, this is a very important point. I am measuring this angle, so I need to increase or decrease the length in the compass. From this point to compass length is this. Same I need to make over here. Now join P2 to this intersection point. So this point I am saying M. Now AM ratio MB will be 2:3. So like this way we can divide the line segment into the ratio 2:3. You are able to see this is 2 and this is 3, and it is similar triangle because one of the angle is common and this is parallel. BPT we are applying, so this is 2:3. This side will also be 2:3. So it will be same. Thank you.